The most important thing really in medicine is that you have to treat the person as if it were yourself or a loved one. I mean, there's really no other way to look at the situation.
Dr. Stephen Hardy has earned a reputation as being one of the most talented, trained, and ethical plastic surgeons in Montana and around the country.
I think Dr. Hardy's a really down-to-earth, genuine person, and that's why I love working for him. And he's an artist. I think he's a great surgeon.
He is skilled, he is honest, he is personable, he's trustworthy.
He is also a board-certified plastic surgeon who is Ivy League trained in New York City with more than 15 years of practical plastic and reconstructive surgery experience. He also has virtually every credential and certification a plastic surgeon can have. Dr. Hardy performs every major cosmetic surgery procedure imaginable, from breast augmentation and liposuction to facelifts, tummy tucks, and more. But it's his honest approach to his craft that resonates extremely well with his many patients here in Western Montana.
You always have to be honest with the patient, and even though something may bring more money into the practice, if somebody comes in and they're asking about, say, a problem with their ears or their nose, I don't think it's appropriate to then say, well, we also could do a facelift and put a chin implant in and you'd look even better. You just have to stay away from those kind of things.
His goal is to educate his patients and make sure they are 100% comfortable with their decision to have the surgery of their choice in a safe, welcoming, and some would say posh environment here at his plastic surgery center in Missoula. He and his staff go out of their way to make sure every patient receives the individualized attention they deserve.
I felt like I was his only patient. I never ever felt that I was a run-of-the-mill case, that I was a number.
He just makes you feel like you're part of the family. As a physician, I've never known him not to think about every single patient and what is best for that patient and what's the best way to treat that patient, because not everyone is the same. He truly is so caring and so loving to everyone that it's hard not to love that.
She says Dr. Hardy loves every aspect of his job, but it's his passion for reconstructive surgery that really defines the type of doctor and person he really is.
He loves to do the cosmetic surgery. It's fun. The patients are extremely happy once it's done. But what is rewarding for him really is doing the reconstructive work.
There's nothing more rewarding than being able to fix a little baby's cleft and having the parents look at the baby and just, with tears rolling down their cheeks at how awesome the baby looks. I mean, there's something, being able to fix a woman who's lost a breast to breast cancer, to be able to reconstruct them and have them look whole again and look quite good. There's nothing that can replace that incredibly rewarding feeling of helping somebody out.
Helping people is what drives Dr. Hardy and his staff every day. It's a way of life for this humble big city plastic surgeon who relocated here to Missoula years ago because of the quality of life this area would bring his family, and for the difference he and his staff could make in the lives of those who live and work here.
I always had this feeling in my heart that if you really do something for the right reason, it's going to work out. And when we moved here, I honestly felt that this is the right thing to do for my family. I'm really incredibly lucky. I'm really one of the luckiest people. I mean, I feel like Lou Gehrig every day when he said that. It's really amazing that I have what I have with a great family, a busy practice, wonderful patients, and live in a great place in the country. I mean, I don't have much to complain about.